It's a hell of a big bear you killed there.
Yep. Parker weighs about 300 pounds.
Yeah. You know, it's funny because I didn't even know it was bear hunting season.
What are you, a game warden? Some kind of vet or something?
Nah, I was, I'm just asking, just asking.
Well, I'll tell you. You see, there aren't too many of these big black fuckers left around here. So when you get a good clear shot at it, you sure as hell take it.
Huh. That's why you shoot them. Because there's not that many left.
I don't think I understand your question.
You know, there ain't all that many colored people around here neither. Maybe you ought to get back in your fancy car and go about your own business.
Yeah. Maybe you're right.
You hit my knee.
You know, in ancient cultures, bears were considered equal with men.
This ain't no ancient culture here, mister.
Sometimes it is.